There is nothing more frustrating than a newly finished paint job that peels, flakes or chips. So why does it happen? What can we do about it? Let's find out. If the edges of a repair start to lift in feathers, it's usually because solvents in the top coat have penetrated through the areas of the undercoat. You can prevent this problem from occurring by using a suitable primer to create a barrier layer and stable base for the paint repair. Depending on the extent of the delamination, you will either need to remove the problem area entirely and start again, or sand back to the stable surface. When areas of your top coat peel away, it means the film hasn't adhered to the surface beneath it due to insufficient prep or using the wrong primer. You can't do much to rectify this problem once it's occurred, so you'll need to strip back and start again. This time, thoroughly sand and clean the substrate and then use a suitable primer. Check your product's technical data sheet if you're not sure which primer to use. Wrinkling happens either when applying a new urethane or enamel finish, or when the finish is drying. This occurs when solvents in your new finish attack the old finish, causing it to become unstable and to lift. The key to avoiding this problem is timing. For a mechanical bond to form between the layers, you need to recoat with the manufacturer's stated recoat window. If you miss this window, wait for the full curing time displayed on the datasheet. The coating will then be hard enough to sand, recoat and achieve a mechanical bond. Again, there is no coming back from wrinkling, so sand back and recoat within the required timeframes. Chips are small areas of finish that have lost adhesion to the substrate. They can happen for several reasons, including insufficient cleaning and/or preparation prior to spraying, not mixing products properly, incorrect metal treatment, or using the wrong sealer or no sealer at all. You can avoid getting chips in your shiny new finish by decreasing and properly preparing the substrate before painting, using the correct metal etch primer, mixing all products thoroughly, and using the right paint system. Always follow the manufacturer's technical data sheets. To fix chips, sand the affected area back, removing the finish from a slightly wider area than the chip. Patch prime and refinish according to the manufacturer's technical data sheets. You can find links to the products that will help you with some of these fixes at the bottom of the transcript below. If you need more help or you're stuck with another problem, give our Total Paint Shop support team a shout for a bit of friendly advice.